Hello again, YouTube world. So today what we're going to do is take a look at the installation of the rim savers, as well as a little bit of a review of it. And what I'm talking about is these. So I've already put them on here on these wheels, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what it takes and how difficult it is to put on the wheels and see how well that works. Let's go for it. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to clean the surface really well. Even though the wheels look pretty clean right now, you would be surprised at the kind of crap you can get. So make sure that you get right above and all the way down to where it's going to be sticking. All right, look at that. Our wheels are cleaned. I mean, it looked clean, but not so much. So that's the first step. The second step is it should have some adhesive promoter as well. So what you want to do is kind of the same thing. You go all the way around here and put that all the way where it's going to go. All right? The next step is taking your rim saver. Now you're going to notice there is a wider piece and a thinner piece on each side. That wider piece is what's going to go on top and kind of on top of the rim right here. So, I mean, not too much, but just enough so that it covers the top. So what you want to do is just peel just a little bit of the 3M protector here, and then very slowly, don't peel the whole thing off, because if it starts touching other things then it'll lose its adhesive property. So just make sure that you get right on top, just a little bit right here. All right, just like that, and then just slowly work your way around by pushing it and pulling a little more every time you need it. Now, when you get all the way around, just make sure you go back and push all the way down, all the way here to the sides and the top, so that you really seal everything good and it doesn't push anything up. All right? And the next step is to cut what's left. If I can reach and grab my pair of scissors. and find out, look where the end is here, and do a little cut and push that down. And you notice there's a little seam here, but that's all right, don't worry about it. They actually provide you with little caps and some super glue. So what you want to do is put some super glue on that cap. And then put it right over that. And go and wipe off the excess glue here and off the side. And that's it. You're done. So this is what the car now looks like with the rim saver. So as you can see, it's a pretty easy process. Now, what do you think of the rim savers? Is it really gonna save your rims against curb rash? Not even close. I don't think if you're gonna hit and scratch your wheels on a curb, those plastic things are not going to, I mean, they may vaguely just a little bit stop it, but it really won't. I mean, your wheels are gonna get scratched up. So really mostly what this is for is more looks than everything. I kind of like the look, but as far as rim saver against curb rashes, no, that's really not gonna help you do any of that. So if you like my videos, please press like and subscribe below. I'm gonna be posting a lot more videos as always on tips, tricks, and reviews of new products and new aftermarket, new software and anything like that. So please make sure you subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching.